Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. Today I'm going to prepare soyabean chili. Okay, so for that, first of all, heat some water in the kettle. Boil some water. Then add some soya chunks to it, or else add the water to the soya chunks. Then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. After 15 minutes, just wash it off with cold water. Okay. Then squeeze all the water off the soya chunks. Now to the soya chunks, add some corn flour or cornstarch. Add some salt to it. Add some salt to it. Now add some rice flour to it. Okay, this is totally optional. It's up to you. Now add some soya sauce to it. Okay. Now mix it well. No need to add any water. Okay. Now allow this mixture to sit for 10 minutes. Okay. Heat some oil, guys. Now the oil is hot. So add the soya chunks. Okay. Be careful. Okay, so now fry it both sides till it turns little crispy. Okay, so now this is cooked well in the both sides. If you have any doubt, then just check it out. Okay, by tasting one of it or something. So now take this to a bowl and fry all the soya chunks like this. Okay, now as the soya chunks are fried properly, this color is due to adding the soya sauce during marination. Okay, so if you don't want this color, then you can totally skip it. So heat some oil in the kettle or leave some oil in the kettle. Okay, then add some green chilies. Okay, now I have sliced the onion and one capsicum. Okay, just add this. Now in this case we don't have to fry it till light golden color or something like that. Okay, so fry this for around 2 minutes. Okay, if you want to add grated garlic and ginger, then you can add before adding the, or else after adding the green chilies. Okay, before adding the onion and capsicum. Okay. Now add some ginger garlic paste if you have not added grated one. Okay. Mix this properly. Okay. Fry this for another 1 minute. Now it's time to add some sauce. Okay. So add some green chili sauce. Tomato sauce and dark soya sauce. Okay, mix it well. Now if you want little bit of gravy, then after frying this sauce and all the mixture, you can add little bit of water, okay? Or else you can skip adding the water part, okay? I have added little bit of water, okay? Now let it get boil, okay? Now add some cornstarch or corn flour slurry, okay? This is nothing but I have added 1 teaspoon of corn flour with water, okay? Mix this properly. Bring it to a boil, okay? Now it is time to add the soya chunks, okay? Mix this well. After a minute or so, you can turn off the switch of the kettle. Then you can take this to a bowl, okay? I think I forgot to show to add salt, okay? I have added during marination, during frying. But again for the sauce, we need little bit of seasoning of salt, okay? So add it, okay? Yes guys, so soyabean chili is ready. So do try this recipe and comment down below how it goes for you, okay? So if you like the recipe, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Bye.